Okay, here starts your non-musical version of thermodynamics of borax. First step is you have to make your saturated borax solution by adding 6 grams of borax to water, and then you're going to put it on the hot plate and you're going to stir for 20 minutes and get a saturated solution. If you need to add more borax after this point, then it will be added. For our case, we were able to get a saturated borax solution without having to add additional borax later. Please note the 6 grams of borax was added to 100 milliliters of distilled water. Each Erlenmeyer flask will need 10 milliliters of your saturated borax solution, and then we'll have 20 milliliters of water added, and we'll have 4 to 5 drops of bromocresol green, which will be your indicator. Okay, time to prepare the cold borax solutions. So there's borax on ice and water on ice to prepare these solutions. For all of your titrations, on the left you'll see the cold borax, and on the right you'll see the room temperature borax. The reason why we set these titrations up side by side instead of one at a time as in your procedure is so you could visually see that the volume taken to reach the indicator change is going to be different with cold versus warm. There were 2 trials performed of each side by side. Please note these titrations used 0.4 molar hydrochloric acid instead of 0.3 molar hydrochloric acid as in the procedure in your manual. For these titrations, 2 TAs were titrating simultaneously by adding 1 milliliter at a time in pretty much unison, if not perfect. You may notice the flask on the left is a shade blue lighter than the one on the right. This is because two different TAs added the borax and the water and the bromocressyl green to the flask, and one TA used one more drop than the other TA.